Your Instant Pot can be used for so many great things. Today we're doing our fajitas, the meat that we need for our fajitas in here. So we've got ourselves 2 flank steaks going in there. And what's happened, they've been tenderized up a bit and they've been pre-cooked just a little bit just to get them some browning on it. And now they're in, of course, with the sauce pack mix, everything's all set. It's as simple as that. No special calculations. Hit the meat button. It comes up for 2 hours at the regular setting in the middle. It's going to be ready. It's going to do its job. Here we are. It's already finished, pretty pressurized. It's 9 minutes over. That's what that 9 says now. And we're good to open up the lid. The pin has dropped on it. So we're all set. We're going to now turn this lid and it opens. It's very safe because these things won't work unless the pressure's out of it. There you go. Look inside there. It is all done. Right where we were when we started, except with nice tender meat for our fajitas.